Hi guys, today I'm gonna to cook a very simple dish for my lunch. So here I have the oil, little bit oil. This I cook the cabbage with prawn. This already washed, 200 gram of prawn. So here the big onion and garlic, and then we gonna to add the chili and shrimp paste. If you don't like spicy, you can skip. And we add the prawn. So we just wait till the prawn little bit change the colors, and then we put the cabbage, oyster sauce, little bit of salt, and little bit of stock, chicken stock, and as is coriander leaf. And you have the rice is already cooking. So we put the cabbage, little bit of oyster sauce, salt, and the chicken stock, just little bit. Here I have the pepper. So here, add some water. I'm gonna cover this for 1 minute, and then we're gonna come back. Okay guys, this is after 1 minute. We're gonna open. So we're not gonna cook the prawn so long, so we add the fried onion and coriander leaf, and you are finished. Yum, cabbage and prawn. Simple, quick and easy to make, and just let's go and eat. Guys, here take the rice. See? Wow. Here I add some chili. Super hot. So here guys, my cooking simple recipe, and yes, enjoy. Bye bye, see you next time. Okay guys, part 2. It's so yum. Oh my god, it's love. Part 2, and I'm finished the whole this one, I think, and the rice. Oh my god. Okay, see you next time. Gonna eat again.